subscribers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new video that is important for everyone preparing for bank exam. So in this video we will discuss 6 points, so do listen to them and let us know where it helpful. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So first point is proper planning about the examination. First of all, get to know the bank exam syllabus and the bank exam pattern. This is because every bank exam consists of many things like bank exam syllabus, preparation time, sectional cutoff, etc. Candidate must gear up their bank exam preparation and be aware of the different topics from the syllabus. Second point is make a timetable for self-study. Aspirants who are willing to prepare at home must and should have a proper timetable regarding their self-study. They must be able to manage their time for the topics that need to be covered. Candidates should have a good knowledge of the bank exam syllabus and they should throw with every topic section, as the bank exam paper is likely to include different types of questions in it. Third point is complete the syllabus topic wise. This is the important thing, because if you are studying in such a way that you don't even know from which topic the question is, then this will be a big problem. Remembering, the question is difficult, but if you study topic wise, then it will be easy to complete the topics, and at the time of examination you can quickly solve the questions. Fourth point is learn through online resources. Candidates who are willing to prepare for bank exam at home, the best way to learn is by referring to various competitive bank exam books and make the best use of available online resources. Besides, candidates need to update themselves regularly, because most of the questions are asked from the general knowledge part only. Reading daily newspaper can also prove helpful for enhancing the verbal skill of candidates and also help cover the general awareness section simultaneously. Fifth point is practice more. After completing the bank exam syllabus, candidates need to practice more and refer to online resources, as there are more useful and provide updated content. Besides, candidates should track their time and accuracy while solving practice problem. It is for the candidates to judge how much time they are devoting for each question and not get wedded to a particular question, and maintain a close check on the proper time duration for each question. So last and sixth point is revision. Make short notes of the bank exam syllabus can prove beneficial for candidates during last minute revision. It is important to note that revision is the only thing that is needed to crack a bank exam when candidates are done with the complete bank exam syllabus. If a candidate is not good at any particular topic, then he/she needs to find out where the problem lies and start working on the topic. The short notes are more important at the time of examination, and it becomes easier to revise in the last minute. So yeah, these were the points which can be beneficial for you in preparation of your bank exam, and all the best to all aspirants who are preparing for bank exam. With this, it's time to say goodbye. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment below what more videos you want from us. Thanks for watching.